Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change the color of an object or shape in your drawings on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your drawings and there are two ways how you can customize the shape color, or in this case your object color. Now of course start by adding an object. I will go with that star icon here, left click into it. Option number one, you navigate to the fill color here on the very left hand side amongst these drawing tools and select the color from that menu. Option number two, you navigate to the given or selected object's properties. To do that, expand the sidebar to the right by clicking into this handle. Choose properties in top right or use the shortcut Alt-1. Expand the area tab here at the bottom. And choose the fill type like solid color, none, gradient, or one of these. I will go standard gradient, and below you will see the fill color tab. So you can go with one of these or use a hex color code here, or use, I don't know, customize the saturation and brightness of the color by choosing a color like this, and by using these, by picking your color from that menu, click into OK. And you will see the result here, guys. That's it. Now, of course, you may adjust also the transparency or opacity if you like, but I'm going to leave it just like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.